the monument that the great Gruf is visiting today is to be found in North Wales. It's the Pillar of Eliseg. Unfortunately, it's out in the open decaying. But this is a monument that preserves the history of the kings of Powys before the 850s AD. Erected by Cyngen ap Cadell, king of Powys, he honours all those before him. The writing carved onto this is now faded in part, and there's a more recent antiquarian carving on this monument near Valley Crucis Abbey in Denbighshire in North Wales. The one thing about this monument is that it's now eroding quite rapidly. 50 years ago you could read a lot more on this from the original script from the 850s. And it's a shame it's out in the open. Lots of local people say, oh, no, it should be in a local field, let's not move it, let's allow it to decay for ages. But this is a national treasure. This should be in a museum, preserved. Let's erect a replica here. And I know that people of Llangollen completely disagree with me that this should be in a museum. But this is a national treasure. This should be protected and not allowed to erode like this. It just needs to take somebody with a pickaxe to go up there and it's destroyed forever. We've seen this happening with our very important trees, and what we've got to do is look at the Eliseg pillar as the great monument for what it is. The great Gruf recorded this today, and I'm really pleased, and this will be a monument that we'll discuss in the karl-jameslangford live show, which is taking place in Ystradgynlais, Chepstow, Lambton, and a few other locations next year. Details down below if you want to come along. From my point of view, it's about protecting and saving our history, not allowing it to decay and be destroyed and violated in this way. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow the great Gruf as well. Thank you.